Namaskar and welcome to Governance at Work. We are at IIPA. My name is Rakhi Bakshi. We are bringing to you this very special conversation about Special Campaign 5.0. This whole idea was envisioned by our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, and the journey has just begun. On 2nd of October 2025, it began as a very, very special campaign, which includes Swachhata not only as a mission, but also as an ethos, which is deep-rooted in our administrative structure. It talks about cleanliness, efficiency, accountability within the governance. So we are going to talk to a whole lot of officials and people involved in this special campaign 5.0. And today, of course, to talk about more, we have a very special guest with us in the studio. We are going to talk to Ms. Mrinalini Srivastava, who is DDG, Customer Satisfaction, Quality Assurance and Inspection at Department of Post, Government of India. We are going to talk to her as to what's been the aim and objective and how the journey has started, what all is being done right now. So thank you, ma'am, for coming to the studio here and talking to us.
Thank you, Rakhi, for inviting me. I'm honored to be on this podcast. And I would like to start by saying that the Special Campaign 5.0 is very close to the heart of the Department of Posts. As you know, Department of Posts has almost unparalleled reach in this country, from the remotest places on the borders right down to the urban centers where you have a huge density of population. Everybody at some point in their life, from all walks of life, all strata of society, has had to deal with the post office. And in fact, the post office is like a microcosm of society. We provide a variety of services for diverse needs of different kinds of people. So reach out to the public, I can say, is among the best in the Department of Posts. So when we talk about Special Campaign 5.0, also, one thing about this campaign is that, of course, it is a realization of the Honorable Prime Minister's vision. But more than that, it is something which has now become a part of our culture. Even in the post office, you will find that during the campaign month, of course, people really make a lot of effort. They, with a real passion, I have seen, whether it is organizing plays or planting trees or cleaning up, weeding out files. And this, and we also have a few special initiatives of the postal department itself. I'll just come to that. And there is so much enthusiasm, and even the public can see it. What we do is, of course, when we weed out physical records, it creates space, and then we try to bring in maybe a new counter so that it's a bit easier for the public. There's heavy footfall in our post offices. And another thing about them is that the larger post offices, GPOs, head post offices, they're all, they are the account offices of the smaller sub post offices. So there is a huge accumulation of physical records, and they have to be kept. Sometimes they have to be kept for a long time, such as insurance policies. The Department of Posts, as you know, provides postal life insurance and rural postal life insurance. So these are the things where you have to keep records for like 20 plus years. And these are all physical records.
So, as far as Department of Post is concerned, a lot of initiatives have been taken. And if we look at the past, it has really been path-breaking because the kind of spaces you created. And I think this time you want to surpass your own record in terms of doing much more, isn't it?
We are trying. And of course, a lot has been done. And we can only try to do better than that. But whenever, it's just about improving the way things are kept in the post office. We can't do away with the physical records, so only those things are weeded out which have outlived their utility. And so even that is to be done, it to be arranged properly and then create some space. And like in Kolkata, we created a parcel cafe, which attracted a lot of footfall. So similarly, the Chennai GPO, the main hall, was refurbished, and it is now extremely beautiful and very, welcoming for the public to see. We've done some similar things in many of our buildings. our heritage buildings, our regular buildings, and everywhere. Even small post offices in the rural areas, the village post offices, they do wall art.
Okay, that's
They do,
interesting. Huh?
and with great enthusiasm. It's something to be seen. They just really get into it. So I would
So
say,
as we were just talking
Yes.
about increasing and enhancing productivity and efficiency within the department, what all is being done? Because the whole idea to have a collective kind of effort towards cleanliness, and
Yes.
cleanliness not in the literal term, but creating that culture altogether.
Correct. So, of course, apart from cleaning up physical spaces and proper records management, we also are moving towards greater digitization. And just 2 months ago, we have launched our new IT system, the Advanced Postal Technology (APT 2.0), which is a completely indigenously built platform on which all our services have been brought. And this has actually increased the efficiency of our services and improved our customers' experience also by reducing wait times, and also in some cases doing away with the need to actually come physically to the post office, because a lot of work is done online for savings bank, for postal life insurance. And of course, speed post, you still have to, but then the system has improved that you come to book your parcel, you don't have to wait because it's done quickly. And we have introduced QR codes
Okay.
for even our customers, because there may be a situation where a customer has a grievance. So he just has to come, if he's in the post office, the QR codes are prominently displayed. He just clicks it with his phone and he's directed straight away to our customer portal, our customer relations management. And he can, he can put his
So
complaint
talking
there.
about customer
Yes.
satisfaction, because that's what you're looking after, and we are talking about this whole connect with the citizens also, that
Yes.
how they should really benefit the maximum, what we're calling citizen-centric governance. And I think in that ambit, how would you really look at a lot of steps within the special campaign now being undertaken?
Well, the main step I would say was the the launch of our APT 2.0, which has been, I would say, a game changer, because the earlier system, although it was an online system, there were certain things which could improve, and this has taken care of many of those areas which were not satisfactory earlier. And of course, it's an ongoing thing. We are going on improving this system as well. It has just been launched. Okay, apart from this launch of our system, we have also done a lot of work in terms of just improving the customer experience. So
Okay.
I'll give you an example. We have, of course, we have CP grams, and we have our own CMS system. So the things we've done here is that now the complaint gets closed only with the consent of the customer.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
The customer has to say that he or she is satisfied, then it closes. And
That's a great step, actually.
Yes, because
you
a
put
lot
it
of
at
time-
the highest level. Yeah.
Yes, we've given the customer the basically the power to, and also the chance to tell us where we can improve. And the other thing we've done is we've brought in certain SLAs, service level agreements, that is in how much time we will resolve particular grievances. So we have a number of categories of grievances, and also their resolution times, which have been worked out on the basis of so many different factors, and they've come down significantly from the previous system. So this is one thing. And even for CP grams, there are cases where we feel that just reaching out to the customer will help, instead of us just giving a mechanical reply and then he appeals and then he's not satisfied. Instead of that, we often reach out to the customer, explain the situation, or try to find out what exactly is the issue, and we try to resolve it at the initial stage.
Anything new, anything innovative that you'd like to share here as far as Special Campaign 5.0 is concerned, we all know that this is a campaign which is very significant because our Honorable Prime Minister has given a lot of focus to this initiative, and I think the whole idea is to how to embed that culture of cleanliness within all of employees, within the government, and also take it out for the benefit of citizens.
So one thing we've done is we have a system known as dark chopals. So these are organized so that the local people in that area are given a chance to learn about the schemes and services offered by the department. And the same time, there is also a component of grievance resolution. On the spot, they can say what all were the problems they faced, and they will try to resolve it then and there. So these have been conducted all over India. It's an ongoing thing, and especially during campaign month, we are trying to maximize the number of dark chopals and outreach to the citizens.
Okay.
This is one
in
of
fact, I also remember in Dull, I think you had these floating.
Yes, we have floating post offices, and we have different kinds of post offices everywhere.
Which are very now, they look beautiful, and the customers
and
like it.
Some of them, the interiors are aligned with the culture of the place. You'll find that in Ahmedabad. There are post offices with the Indo-Saracenic architecture and things like that. And of course, as you said, in Srinagar, the floating post offices on the Dal Lake, and in heritage buildings. You get that
many of the GPOs are very
historic feel. Yes,
they have legacy too.
Absolutely.
That stories to tell actually.
Those are the that it is a part of our past.
So, any message as we are concluding this interview? Any message to everyone now?
Well, the postal department is just getting better and better. Its services are increasing and improving. So I will urge the public to, take advantage of that and avail of our schemes and facilities. And in case they face any problems, we are very much here to resolve these issues, and they should feel free to reach out to us. We have call center which is available. We have these QR codes in the post offices. We have online system of complaints. Of course, there is CPgrams, and there is social media. We deal with that too. So there are many avenues for people to even give us suggestions. We get a lot of suggestions too. Not everything is a complaint.
Okay.
Yes, we get a lot of suggestions, and we take them on board as well, if to the extent
feedback,
feasible.
I mean, and
yes,
that's what you work on then.
Absolutely. So we're doing a lot of things which which are being emphasized in the special campaign. Apart from disposal of references, we are doing as much as we can to clear a number of CPgrams cases and their appeals. And we also, since e-waste management is the focus of this campaign, so we have conducted an e-waste workshop wherein it was a combination of e-waste and best out of waste. We had a person, a retired officer from one of the PSUs, who came to us, and we had organized this workshop, and he told our staff and their families about how you can repurpose e-waste into very cute and attractive things. He built rockets and satellites and things like that out of simple waste materials, and it just gave us an idea of what all can be done if you just have the creativity. So that is one thing. And we also organized a records management workshop for our record officers all over India, because training in this matter should be done regularly. So this is one thing where they benefited from that. And we've done a lot of plantation. And as you know, the preparatory phase coincided with the Swachhata Hi Seva campaign. So during that time also, there was a lot of emphasis on identification of the sites for this campaign. And of course, reviewing all the records and finding out what we can remove, how we can repurpose things, and really achieve the objectives of the campaign. So I think that we have already started the process, and we are on track we hope to achieve all our targets by the end of the. And there is no greater publicity than a satisfied customer. This is what I would say.
I think
And
that's where I have to really end, because this is a very, very catchy thing that you've said, that there is nothing like customer satisfaction, which speaks for itself, and that's the greatest, I think, reward as far as any official handling that is concerned. So you've heard now the whole conversation, and you've heard what Department of Post is doing as far as the special campaign 5.0 is concerned. We are going to bring you more such perspectives and insights from different ministries, and we are trying to gather all this for your benefit as the special campaign 5.0 and the journey still is on right now. So thank you for watching this special show, and namaskar once again.